What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we are going to be doing a funnel pour. So I'm going to be kind of bringing things back to an easier, fun method of acrylic pouring. I already have a little goop in my base coat. Jeez. Already starting off good. Come on, fella. All right, I'm going to get you. Somehow. All right, we're gonna start that one over. Okay, what's going on, you guys? What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today, I am a little under the weather. I have a little bit of the flu I've been kind of dealing with for the last week or so, and it's okay. It's getting better. So, the colors we're using, I have a fluorescent pink. This is cerulean blue, phthalo blue. I have a deep magenta and a titanium white. We're gonna be using this funnel here. And I'm gonna layer the colors. Now I do know most of what I want is the cerulean blue. And then I'm gonna want little pops of some whites here and there. I want this to kind of push through a little bit. And then we're going to separate this red from the blue. I'm not trying to get a bunch of green. I'm trying to avoid it if I can. All these paints are mixed 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. There's a little bit less than 1 drop of OGX coconut milk hair serum in all the colors except the base coat, which was that cerulean blue. All right, so now that I got a white between, it should help us minimize a lot of those colors touching each other. Let's see if I can stream this through the red. There we go. Yep. Again, it's kind of a hue of red, so I don't want to make too much green. I'm trying to avoid green. We're gonna get some. All right. And then I like to just lift the funnel and release some paint and then tap. So release it and tap. It lets the paints kind of do some really cool stuff. And we're starting to see those cells. I think we're coming up to the end of our funnel. Make sure it's completely submerged in the water so we can clean it afterwards. And that's what we have so far. I think it's super cool. Now, if you wanted to, you could, at this point, heat it up. And now that I say that, I'm fairly certain, because I reorganized the art room a little bit. I don't know if my heat gun is even plugged in. No, it's not. Bear with me, folks. All right. So I'm going to heat it up and try to generate some cells, then use my little stick and dotting tool and manipulate some of these cells. You can see not a whole lot's happening because it's such a thick layer of paint. Excuse me. But there are little tiny cells that were cropping up. That's a really cool looking cell. It's gonna get big. All right, so let me try to use the rest of, oh, there's not too much left, is there? rest has silicone in it, so this is gonna work. What do I want to be the center point? All right, I'm gonna spin it. So I didn't actually embellish it at all, which is okay. Now we're gonna stop it. Let's see. Wow, we didn't get any green at all. That's awesome. I already have, I have some more of that cerulean blue that was pre-mixed in my cup here, or my mix bottle. I should just use it, help it along. A little bit, just enough to help it move. These are just little squeeze bottles I got from Amazon so I can store my paints for longer after I've mixed them up. They're just cheap little condiment squeeze bottles, but they work really well. All right, last section. Coming up. Just giving it enough paint so I can slide over the edge. It's really pretty so far. But what I'm gonna do, heat it up again before we stretch it again. Let those layers show off whatever cells they have underneath. You can see some are opening up. It's nothing huge or crazy. If I wanted that, the torch will do that. So the torch, I normally use the torch if I want to really get a lot of little cells. So there's going to be a ton of little cells in this pink. If you see them all like kind of everywhere the like flame touches, they start to grow. Very, very small though. Not as noticeable. There we go. Yeah, I like what's going on there. All right, one spin just to get a little bit of this excess that we added. And nothing crazy, just a light spin. Just trying to get rid of any of that excess. Oh man, look at that. What? All right, let me bring you guys down and check this thing out. It's pretty cool. I like it.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.